Good morning, and I was on night. So today I'll be looking at the GDP AUD pair, the GDP USD pair. My GDP AUD pair is still on, though I closed in on major positions, and I'm looking at this very pair right now. So on the 1 hour time frame, and this is my story. I can see the drop. I can see this drop. I can see this hold. I can see another drop. I can see the hold, a drop, and I can see the hold. So right here we have the trap. We have the trap sellers. This is all like a refresh for a further downtrend. And the buyers did this with a bit of a pullback to the release. This is releasing the trap sellers right now. No volume, and we have volume again going up, back up. But on the way up for the buyers from the release, on the way up for the buyers, there is no volume whatsoever. So right here, we couldn't break above. If we go to the lower time frame, which will be my precision time frame on the 5 minutes, this is where we are at the 1 hour. You can see that the buyers tried, wait. This was the last buyer. We had the retrace. They couldn't go ahead. Then, for me, this was the last buyer right here on the 5 minutes. We already tried and we broke. So this is our trap buyers on the 5 minutes. We already at the release, and we're coming to test this release one more time before we go down. So on this trade, I'll be waiting to hit my sales somewhere around here, depending on how I see the reaction of the candle with the volume. But yes, on this trade, I'll be going in for a sell. I'll be selling the GDP USD at London, at New York. That will be after New York. What's it called? That will be after New York Stock Exchange opens. So this is just my setup build up coming into New York Open. I'll be selling this pair at New York Open, and I'll be having my post analysis after the pair. It's just a very short pair. Because on the daily, this pair is ranging. Right now the pair is just ranging, and I'm just about trading just that range alone, from the top of the range back to the bottom of the range, because this also on the daily, this can still fly even further for more refresh. So for the New York Open, I'm just going to be selling this to the bottom of the range, but on the 1 hour it looks like this. That'll be my trade I'm looking at, and I'll be back for post analysis. Thank you.